Hello little chefs, it's cooking time today. Let's learn new action words in a super fun way.
Cut.
Cut. Cut the carrot.
Cut.
Cut.
Chop.
Chop. Chop the onion.
Chop.
Chop.
Slice.
Slice. Slice the apple.
Slice.
Slice.
Peel.
Peel. Peel the banana.
Peel.
Peel.
Mix.
Mix. Mix the batter.
Mix.
Mix.
Stir.
Stir. Stir the soup.
Stir.
Stir.
Whisk.
Whisk. Whisk the eggs.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Beat.
Beat. Beat the cream.
Beat.
Beat.
Blend.
Blend. Blend the fruit.
Blend.
Blend. Like, if you learn something new. Subscribe for more kid-friendly learning videos.
Grate.
Grate. Grate the cheese.
Grate.
Grate.
Mash.
Mash. Mash the potatoes.
Mash.
Mash.
Knead.
Knead. Knead the dough.
Knead.
Knead.
Roll.
Roll. Roll the dough.
Roll.
Roll.
Pour.
Pour. Pour the milk.
Pour.
Pour.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle some sugar.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Add.
Add. Add salt.
Add.
Add.
Measure.
Measure. Measure the flour.
Measure.
Measure.
Crack.
Crack. Crack the egg.
Crack.
Crack.
Squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Boil.
Boil. Boil the water.
Boil.
Boil.
Bake.
Bake. Bake the cake.
Bake.
Bake.
Fry.
Fry. Fry the eggs.
Fry.
Fry.
Roast.
Roast. Roast the vegetables.
Roast.
Roast.
Grill.
Grill. Grill the corn.
Grill.
Grill.
Steam.
Steam. Steam the rice.
Steam.
Steam.
Simmer.
Simmer. Simmer the soup slowly.
Simmer.
Simmer.
Toast.
Toast. Toast the bread.
Toast.
Toast. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Melt.
Melt. Melt the butter.
Melt.
Melt.
Warm.
Warm. Warm the milk.
Warm.
Warm.
Spread.
Spread. Spread jam on bread.
Spread.
Spread.
Flip.
Flip. Flip the pancake.
Flip.
Flip.
Taste.
Taste. Taste the soup.
Taste.
Taste.
Serve.
Serve. Serve the food.
Serve.
Serve.
Garnish.
Garnish. Garnish the dish with herbs.
Garnish.
Garnish.
Drizzle.
Drizzle. Drizzle honey on top.
Drizzle.
drizzle,
sift,
sift. Sift the flour,
sift,
sift.
rinse,
Rinse, rinse the vegetables,
rinse,
rinse.
wash,
Wash, wash the fruits,
wash,
wash.
dry,
Dry, dry the lettuce,
dry,
dry.
dip,
Dip, dip the cookie in milk,
dip,
dip.
shake,
Shake, shake the bottle,
shake.
shake. Bye kids, see you in the next fun video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.